Boiling rice is a simple and easy process, but it is important to get the proportions of water and rice correct to ensure the rice cooks properly. Here is a detailed guide on how to boil rice. Ingredients: 1 cup of rice, 2 cups of water, pinch of salt, optional. Equipment: saucepan with a tight-fitting lid, wooden spoon. Rinse the rice. Rinse the rice in a fine mesh strainer under cold running water for a few seconds to remove any excess starch. Measure the rice and water. Measure out 1 cup of rice and 2 cups of water. It is important to use the correct ratio of water to rice to ensure the rice cooks evenly. Combine the rice and water, add the rinsed rice, water, and a pinch of salt, if using, to a medium-sized saucepan. Give it a quick stir. Bring to a boil. Place the saucepan over high heat and bring the water to a boil. Reduce the heat and cover. Once the water is boiling, reduce the heat to low and cover the saucepan with a tight-fitting lid. Simmer. Allow the rice to simmer for about 18 to 20 minutes or until all the water has been absorbed. Avoid opening the lid during this time, as it will release steam and disrupt the cooking process. Turn off the heat. Once the rice has cooked, turn off the heat and let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. Fluff the rice. After letting the rice sit, remove the lid and use a wooden spoon to gently fluff the rice. This will help to separate the grains and release any excess steam. Serve. Your rice is now ready to serve. Enjoy as a side dish or use as a base for your favorite stir-fry or curry. Note: if you are cooking brown rice, the cooking time will be longer and the ratio of water to rice will be slightly different. Typically, brown rice requires about 2.5 cups of water per cup of rice and a longer cooking time of around 40 to 50 minutes.